Welcome to FoxQuiz, an intelligent assistant for school exams. Traditional digital study tools have a major problem: they are rigid, boring, and one-size-fits-all. Worse, standard AI chat interfaces are unsafe for children, exposing them to unfiltered web content, misinformation, or privacy-leaking traps. That is why we built FoxQuiz, powered by Google ADK 2.0. By using autonomous AI agents instead of simple chat prompts, we can guarantee student safety and a highly personalized experience. An input scanner assures personally identifiable information, PII, is never stored. Our IP-band sheriff defends our system against malicious exploits, and students can choose to study with animated buddies, which dynamically alters the agent's vocabulary and has encouraging explanations to match the student's unique pace and grade level. When a student requests an exam topic, local security guardrails instantly screen the query. Our orchestrator agent then routes the request, dynamically gathering verified context from Wikipedia to ground the topic, before entering a multi-agent validation loop. The generator agent crafts the questions, while a separate critique agent validates academic accuracy. The approved quiz is streamed in real time straight to the browser and can be securely archived in Google Cloud Firestore if the user decides to share it. Now, let's go for a demo. First, let's look at the top right. By hovering over the language bar, we can easily change the localization. Watch how switching to German instantly translates the entire interface, from titles down to the brand descriptions. Next, selecting Portuguese translates everything into beautiful, natural Portuguese in real time. Finally, switching back to English returns us to our default screen. Now, let's meet your personalized study buddies. First up is Felix the Fox. Next, we have Olivia the Owl. And finally, there's Dino the Dragon. Choose your preferred one. Let's set up our custom study session. First, click the grade drop-down to choose the exact level, catering perfectly to students from grade 5 all the way up to grade 12. Next, type in any school subject, followed by your specific exam topic. This tells our smart assistant exactly what to focus on. Once that's set, click the Generate Quiz button, and Gemini 2.5 Flash will instantly craft a secure, personalized quiz just for you. And our quiz is ready. As we begin, the clean, interactive layout displays our first question and options. Notice the active difficulty level at the top. If we hover our mouse over it, a helpful tooltip appears explaining exactly how our smart adaptive difficulty adapts to previous quiz scores. Watch what happens when we select an answer. The system gives us instant visual feedback. If we pick the wrong option, it flashes red, while the correct answer highlights in a beautiful green glow. Best of all, a helpful explanation appears below immediately, showing us exactly why the answer is correct. It makes learning from mistakes completely stress-free. Once we complete the quiz, we reach our results screen. Here, our final score is clearly displayed. Just below, we have two excellent learning options. We can click to share a unique link of this exact quiz with a friend, or we can export the entire quiz to study offline anytime we want. If we want to keep going, we can tap Let's Go for more questions to continue, or select Choose a new topic to start a fresh adventure. Finally, we can click the thumbs up or thumbs down icons to leave instant feedback. This helps our developers learn and improve future quizzes. Now, let's look at how FoxQuiz was built. First, we installed our core tools and skills, prompting anti-gravity to connect to our project, enable APIs, and scaffold a clean ADK 2.0 agent project. Second, we composed a behavior specification detailing strict YAML and pedantic schemas, security criteria, and behavior scenarios. Third, we triggered the Grill Me command. Anti-gravity conducted an interactive alignment interview, helping us to refine our specification before writing code. In step 4, once we agreed on the implementation plan, we asked anti-gravity to build the application. We then iterated on new features by repeating steps 3 and 4. We also ran agent CLI lint to ensure the code conforms to elite quality, formatting, typing, and safety standards. Finally, we verified our agent's execution using Agent CLI Playground as well as running the Fast API application directly. Deploying our FoxQuiz application to Google Cloud was very easy with Agent CLI Deploy. By combining modern UI design with cutting-edge agents, FoxQuiz makes studying safe, highly adaptive, and incredibly fun. Thank you so much for exploring FoxQuiz with us today.